a journey to get 15 people to honk their horns. We got 9 people already.
Didn't we get 7?
No, 9.
Oh.
We're almost to 15. We're taking you on a journey to get the final 6. Honk! He's not happy.
And his window was open.
Yeah. So he obviously heard us because the windows was open.
So he must have not been happy.
But also, I guess like it's kind of loud up there too.
Yeah.
You know, there should be a table that's like right there, just for people who want to get other people to honk their horns. There's a car coming.
Yeah, that guy's window was open.
Honk!
You're happy! No honk!
Yeah!
Ew!
10 people! One more car, one truck.
The guy. How much people do we have now?
10. Thank you! 11. If you're happy and you know it, honk your horns. If you're happy and you know it, honk your horns. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, honk your horns. Car.
And there too.
Nobody honked. Oh, one more car. Another truck. No! Please, honk your horn! Thank you! Was it 11 or 12? I think it's 12.
Yeah,
Just 3 more people. We sing the if you're happy and you know it, honk your horn song the next time the car comes and doesn't honk. No, he even looked at us. Please honk your horn. If you're happy and you know it, honk your horns. If you're happy and you know it, honk your horn. They even looked at us. Thank you. 13. Yeah.
Honk your horn! Honk your horn!
That was loud. 14 people. I know.
That was so loud. How's that?
I don't know.
Really boom!